Are you tired of juggling multiple platforms to manage your dropshipping business? Well, get ready to simplify everything because today, we are diving deep into how Shopify POS and Dser work together to create the ultimate dropshipping powerhouse. First, let's talk basics. Shopify POS is your point-of-sale system, allowing you to process transactions in person. Think pop-up shops or markets. Now, here's where the magic happens with proper setup. Shopify POS can sync with your Shopify store, where Dser manages your product sourcing and order fulfillment. This means when you sell an item in person through Shopify POS, your inventory is automatically updated in your Shopify store and subsequently reflects within Dser. This automatic inventory update triggers Dser to begin fulfillment, ensuring your customer's order is processed swiftly, regardless of whether they purchased online or in person. This integration creates a streamlined experience, reducing manual data entry and minimizing the risk of overselling. This enhances efficiency and improves customer satisfaction. So, ditch the chaos and embrace the synergy of Shopify POS and Dser. It's the secret weapon to optimizing your dropshipping operation and delivering a seamless customer experience. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your dropshipping potential. Happy selling!